Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's short tutorial I will teach you how to show search box or search icon in Windows 10. Let's begin. To display the search icon in the taskbar, right click on the taskbar. Now a menu will appear on your screen. Go to search and select show search icon or show search box. You can see that as soon as I clicked on show search box, the search box appeared on the taskbar. If you have a full taskbar, there is no place to search, then use the small search icon. Right click on the taskbar, click search on the menu and choose show search icon from the options provided.